So did I make a mistake putting the Flowmaster louder muffler, it's the dual exhaust, on my Toyota Tacoma? Yesterday, Randall and I put that muffler on. We didn't give you guys a test. I know you hate when I do that, but the video was running long. So today, we're gonna start it up. I haven't started the truck up yet. This is going to be my first impression of it as well. But real quick, if you haven't before, smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's fire it up. Here's the startup inside the cab, old exhaust. And here's the takeoff inside the cab with the old exhaust. There's what it sounds like inside. Okay, there's the outside, both before and after shots of the truck. Hopefully you can hear it pretty well. We're inside now. We're gonna go 35 mile an hour road, then we're gonna be 55, 60, 65, whatever, just to see if there's any drone or what it sounds like. So let's take off. I'll be quiet, if I can, for a minute. Okay, we're gonna go from 0 to 30, 35. Normal driving. Okay, here's cruising at about 33, 32 miles an hour. And you can hear it in the background. Would I call it a drone? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'd call it a drone. I don't think so. It's not that annoying sound that you get. So now we're gonna hang a left. We'll be on a 55 mile an hour road. We'll get up to speed. I will be quiet and you can hear what it sounds like. Here we go. Okay, we're at 57 actually, and this is just cruising. Again, you can hear it in the background. It's not so loud, I don't think. I haven't ridden with it for hours or anything, but I don't think it's so bad that it would be annoying to me. Now, if you're super sensitive to sound, it's Randall over there, by the way, it might be annoying to you. I don't know. What do you think?
It's not as annoying as my TRD Pro muffler was. We drive up, and it was just way too loud on an 8-hour drive. It just, but this is not as annoying. The frequency's different. It's more of a rumble than a drone, and It's just not near as annoying.
Yeah, and I think that's what's key. It really is the frequency, the sound, the pitch of the sound that it makes that makes the difference. If it was more of a tinny, metallic-y kind of sound, that would be annoying. But this is more of a guttural, a throaty kind of sound, which is good. So again, we're traveling along. I'll get up to 60 here. There we're at 60. Kick down a little bit, and it's pretty quiet. I mean, you can't hear it, but it's not horrible. Now, I'm gonna nail it. Let's see what it sounds like if I was passing somebody, let's say, on the freeway. That's up to 76 from about 58 miles an hour. I think you might have heard a little more cold air intake coming from up there than necessarily the exhaust, but still, it did sound, I like it. It sounded pretty good. It's got a little bit of attitude about it now. We never had that before. We just kind of had, so pretty cool. We're gonna
a Tacoma with an attitude.
a Tacoma with an attitude. That's what I've got now. So we're gonna cruise around just a little bit more, get a little bit more ear time with it, and then give you our final impressions. Okay, been out cruising around a little bit, and I love it. It's awesome. It's what I was looking for, a throatier sound to the Tacoma. I think about the best you're going to get out of a V6. I mean, I'm not going to have Mustang GT V8 sound out of this truck, but it's pretty good. I like it. No tinny sound, no annoying drone. It's not that you can't hear it, because you can, but it's just a different sound level, a different pitch. One other thing I wanted to mention, while we're out cruising around, I decided to do a little 0 to 60 test. It didn't make any difference. Let's just put it that way. It's actually a little bit worse than it was in one that I recently did by about a second, and I think that's due to weather. It's warmer today, it's more humid, there is more wind, but when I went with the wind, in other words, behind me, helping out, still didn't get any better. So I think I can safely say that all you're gonna get out of it, at least for what you can feel, is sound, and maybe a little bit of aesthetic appeal if you're looking up from underneath the truck. Anyway, that's the sound test. I'm very happy with it. Now, as far as the install goes, pretty simple. I know Flowmaster gave it a 2 wrenches out of 5, I believe, or 2 out of 5 as far as difficulty to install. I don't think it was too bad. Took us about, what, a couple hours, an hour and a half? About an hour. So it's not hard. The hardest part, I think, really, is probably getting the original exhaust off, because it's heavy. So no big deal there. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you have it? I'd be curious to know. Also, if you didn't at the beginning, make sure you smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. I do have 2 additional channels, Robmotive JT, all about Jeep Gladiators, and Robmotive FST, all about full-size trucks. Check them out, and if you're interested, why not subscribe? Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.